things to consider in investing in real estate property. Number 1, location. Your property must be near central business districts, offices, public transportation, malls, groceries, hospitals, and schools. One more tip that everyone knows, choose a property near infrastructures. Why? Pag malapit po ang property nyo sa tinatayo or ginagawang infrastructures, it will affect the increase of the value of your property. Let's say, for example, you reserve a unit in a pre-selling project in Cubao. So aside from Cubao is in Quezon City, which we all know that it's the largest city in Metro Manila. Quezon City is the gateway of the north. There's an ongoing Metro Manila subway and of course MRTs. Meaning, makaka-apekto po siya sa pagtaas ng value ng property nyo. Number 2, reputable developer. Before we invest in a property, lalo po kapag first-time home buyer po kayo, we still need to do our research. So let's check the best developer. We can check any testimonials, reviews, and of course, if we make sure that we invest in the best developer, we won't need to worry about